Hi everyone, welcome back. Have you ever seen the error 127.0.0.1 refuse to connect on your Windows 11 PC? It can be really frustrating. This usually means a program on your computer is trying to talk to another program on the same computer, but it's hitting a wall. 127.0.0.1 is your local host, your own machine. When it refuses, it means the target program isn't listening, or something is blocking the connection. Don't worry, we're going to fix it today with some simple steps. Here are the most common reasons and fixes for this issue. 1. Is the service or application actually running? This is the number one cause. If you're trying to connect to a web server like Apache, a database like MySQL, or a development server for Node.js or Python, that server must be active. Check your task manager, Ctrl+Shift+Escape, look under the Processes or Services tab for the application you expect to be running. If it's a dedicated service, type services.msc in the Run dialog, Win+R, and check its status. Make sure it's set to running and its startup type is appropriate. If it's stopped, try starting it manually. Many applications have their own status indicators or logs, check those too. Starting the correct service often resolves the problem immediately. 2. Is your firewall blocking the connection? Windows Defender Firewall, or any third-party antivirus with a built-in firewall, can block local connections. Sometimes it's the client trying to connect, other times it's the server trying to listen. For testing purposes only, you could temporarily disable your firewall to see if the connection works. Never leave your firewall off for extended periods. A better long-term solution is to add an exception. Go to Windows Security-Firewall and Network Protection-Allow an app through firewall. Find your application and ensure both private and public networks are checked. You might also need to add a specific port rule if the application isn't listed. 3. Are you using the correct port and configuration? Every application listens on a specific port. For example, HTTP often uses port 80, HTTPS uses 443, MySQL uses 3306. Double-check your application's configuration files to confirm which port it's supposed to be listening on. Also, ensure the client, the program trying to connect, is attempting to connect to the same port. A mismatch here will definitely cause a refuse to connect error. Sometimes applications are configured to listen on 0.0.0.0, all interfaces, or a specific external IP, rather than 127.0.0.1 directly. Verify this configuration. 4. Is a VPN or proxy interfering? If you're using a virtual private network, VPN, or a proxy server, these can sometimes redirect or block local loopback connections. Try temporarily disabling your VPN or proxy settings to see if the issue resolves. If it does, you might need to configure your VPN/proxy to allow local connections or exclude 127.0.0.1 from its routing. 5. Reset your network stack. In rare cases, your network configuration might be corrupted. You can try resetting your network stack. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type these commands, pressing Enter after each: netch winsock reset and then netch and IP reset. After running these, restart your computer. This can clear up many underlying network communication issues. Remember, always try the simplest solutions first, like ensuring the service is running. This error is almost always due to the target application not being active or a firewall blocking it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these steps helped you resolve the 127.0.0.1 refuse to connect error on your Windows 11 machine. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Your support helps me create more content like this. See you in the next one.